Are you able to see my screen, Sudhakar?
Yeah,
Yes.
I can see.
Yeah. So see here, all the logical transactions are receiving by HUs. Inside this, how many things is coming in the submenu? Did you see?
Yeah.
So this sequence is here. All the sequences loading by HU, all the what is this is the main. Within this, these are the layers. So everything is defined in the customization. And again, if within the submenu you can define within the submenu also. So presentation test is here, and there is a submenu inside this one. So let me check internal loading by.
Where is this transaction code assigned here? In this process. So when you click on it, so basically I need to understand the scenario.
Uh-huh.
For example, we got a warehouse. We have the inventory came like in the so in the inbound warehouse. The inventory came in at that time. So every material would have the barcode. Is it the what like we are talking about the RFIDs like the machines we need to be configured and then so that we could use a barcode to recognize them.
Correct.
Yes.
So first the machine is configured, and after that you have to assign your ID. Means that is the user is means where the user is assigned.
Yeah, user is there.
See here, this is the user is there. This is the warehouse. So my profile is assigned. This is my resource. This is the presentation profile. What I am showing you the 2-digit, and this is the my warehouse. So once you assign to this warehouse system, you can only transact against this warehouse.
So where this connection happens actually, how both will talk each other. So is there any RFC anything like that we need to set up? The RF device and then the SAP. How would both will be connected?
Oh, this is the software. This is the connected through the your
So,
network. Yeah.
in the RFC gun, the SAP client will be installed. So that's how they log it in, or
Yeah.
how does it?
Yeah. This is the SAP client is installed inside this one. Means that in RF
Okay.
device you have to
Okay.
install means the this client version, and
Okay.
through this one there is a software called
Okay.
I forget the name. Is this one the browser? If you install this one, after that
Okay.
ITS, I will tell you the tomorrow the software name.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is the install, and after that you can just use this one, just like a app kind of things.
Oh,
You
okay.
you have a mobile app, am I right, Sudhakar? So
Mm.
you log in the background, and system will know. So they know what are the client is inside, what are the TCP/IP connections in the background. That is, go and take the data, fetch these things. This is just like application. What are the
Okay.
RF is that this is the application layers, and there is a presentations layer in the background. So once you try to get what kind of application you want to view, that is depend and controlled through your user ID, warehouse and all. But there is some software inside you have to install, and after that the system will connect with this one. So suppose that what is the your question is that I'm just giving you examples, just maybe that is give you the better visibility kind of things. So suppose that you are testing sometimes in the quality in the dev environment, sometimes you are testing through the quality environment, sometimes you are, and the actual user is working on the production. So once you go and test in the quality, because anything is quality tested before going to the production. So your device pointer should be moved to the quality, then only you can test in the quality with the particular ID functionality. Once you can change the pointer, your RF pointer to the dev where I verified environment, then this is the dev. You can access the data of dev. So always what system, what are the IP address and all these things, you have to first configure, then system work. Does this give some visibility or still something is not there?
Yeah, it makes sense for me.
Yeah. So means every systems nowadays the lot of different companies and all these things is coming like the software to optimize all the package. But still the basic fundamental is that you have to install something on RF, and after that you access in the background data. So one thing is that just think that you are working, your 3PL user means third party vendor is working. You don't want to expose this lot of data to this guy. So they give generally only the RF device to work on this one. Because if you give your SAP GUI login, they can get all the data, they can access. So lot of company will send the orders just to pick, pack, ship the product from this some places. But in the background, sales order, your delivery, everything's created by the employee. The actual physical activity, what is happening in the warehouse, this is going to happen through the 3. This is executed by the 3PL, means temp employee or maybe the other company's employee, so that there is a data privacy maintained in this scenario. They are not going to expose all the data to the third party vendors. Okay, so I will tell you the software, what it does, they install all these things. And rest is here you are not try to create anything. So you are just try to verify and do the transactions in RF generally. Nowadays, you can create the HU numbers inbound delivery. People suppose that one business scenario, I am saying that in the standard SAP, you are going and they will create receiving by inbound delivery. But your paperwork, what is coming from your vendor, they don't know. This inbound delivery is just for you. Am I right? Because your system creating the inbound delivery. So what will happen? Says the vendor is always send you the outbound the PO numbers. But there is no PO number field against this one. You can go and scan and process the inbound delivery. So one of my customer is saying that because they has a PO number at the dock, people only know the dock PO number. So you customize the field before the inbound delivery. They enter the PO number. Once they enter the PO number, after that they can select the inbound delivery, which is against this particular PO, and they process the goods. So requirement come in this process way. That how you optimize your business process through the RF. Is this make sense?
Yeah.
And here, if you come here, if you have a time, you just take some, means that is the, see here, the maintain verification barcode specification, what kind of verification you require. This is the standard one. There, if you have a custom one, you can put here what are the different configuration of the barcode you need. A standard key means that F7, what is the flow of this one. So see here, this is the next F7 is that back. So if you put the F7, system will go one steps back. Enter full screen, full message. If you press F9, more. F8 is list. So if you just press this key, you will get this kind of information. So how you align, these are the standard one. So these are the things is this define destination HU input. So how you define this one? Storage type level, or is this the destination input only the read kind product, put away profile and all. So inside this there is a lot of other information is also there. So just try to go. I just give you the one a small brief. This itself RF is the very huge kind of things. but I try to give you so that everybody should aware that what are the IRF, how this is working, what are the application you are trying to do, and how the verification happen in the background. I will try to do the maybe tomorrow LOSC, but see here I'm getting the error here. This is not fixed. This is difficult to go. Oh, sorry. That's why I initially I speak this somebody working on this one. Or this is coming in the debug mode.
Debug mode.
See?
Oh, someone put the break.
Yeah, I try to do the come out from this one.
Can you use like different user ID because they set like breakpoint only for EWM 8? Can you try with EWM 7?
Let me. Have to
Yes,
log in
someone put
once.
a hard breakpoint.
Yes, 9 or 10 is fine. Yeah, 10 is also there. You can anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
So let me connect. Yeah. If I'm able to get the data ready tomorrow, then I will go through the one LOSC kind of things.
Yep.
This required some. Yeah, looks like this is working because this is pulling the so
Yeah, someone put a hard breakpoint.
hard. Yeah. Okay, then LOC, I will configure one LOC and let you know, or USC part you see already, but LOC I will try to configure and let you
Okay.
know. Okay,
Okay.
then thank you.
Thanks,
That's it.
Sanjay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thanks.
Right.